Hi, and welcome back to Fantastic English Fluency Tips and More. Good to see you again. I'm glad you're here again too. I'm glad you're liking these videos and that you are subscribing. Yes, and that you're turning on your notifications, because when we put up new videos, then you'll get all of these good jewels that will help your English fluency too. Today we're going to be talking about 3 particular words. They'll be up here on the board. First word will be who. Second word will be that. Next word will be which. These 3 words, who, that, and which, and how to use them correctly. This will be a simple lesson, but very pertinent to correct speech when using these words. All right? I'm going to show you how to use who, how to use that, and when or when not to use which. Okay, let's jump right into this. Let's look at the word who. Now basically, please remember, who is used with persons. We're talking about a person, talking about someone, yet we can refer to them with the word who. We'll go over an example. With that, let me see. She is the girl who won the award. You see? There, we're talking about a person who won the award. So we use the word who. She is the girl who won the award. Or he is the boy who won the race. You see? That's referring to a person or referring to persons. So we use the word who there. Now let's look at the word that. Now that, remember, is a word used with persons or things or situations, you see? So we can use that in place of who sometimes. Let's look at this sentence. This is the dog that was lost. You see? This is the dog that was lost. Well, that refers to people or things. A dog is a thing, so we use that there. Or we could also look here at the other one as she is the girl that won the award. Would be correct also, because you can use that in place of who when referring to people. That would be correct. She is the girl who, or she is the girl that, will be okay. Now let's see. Let's look over to the next one. We're going to go to the word which. Now which is not used, you should not be used when referring to a person. So let's go over a few sentences here. We'll go back to the dog. This is the dog which was lost. Well, is which okay to use with things and situations? Yes. So you can refer to a dog with which. This is the dog which was lost. This is the dog which was found. Okay? All right. You could use that with the dog also. That or which. Because that can refer to persons or things or situations, right? Now tell me, this sentence, what do you think it is? Is it correct or is it misusage? Margaret is the girl which entered the contest. Think about it. Okay? Who are we talking about here? Yes, the subject is Margaret. She is the person. Which? Boop, 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 boop. No. She's the person. Who or that would be correct. Normally we would use that. We're referring to Margaret. Yes. Which should not be used to refer to a person or persons. So remember that. Now, did you get any value out of this today? Maybe you can remember this when you're in a conversation and you start talking about a situation or a place or a thing and you go to use which. Oh, did I use it correctly? Well, I'm referring to a thing or a situation, so yeah, which is all right. Oh, wow, that's the person who wrote that song. Oh, great. Do you mean this person is the one which wrote it? Which is the correct usage here? That's right. Who wrote the song? Which wrote the song would be incorrect. Do not use which when referring to people, please. Okay? All right, well, that about ends our little lesson on who, that, and which today. If you have any questions about these, please do put them in the comments sections below and tell me what you thought about this little lesson also. Be ready, looking forward to putting up more little lessons like this for a real concentrated meaning on certain situations. So look at our playlists. You can find many videos on phonics, word usage, connecting phrases, connecting words, and how to use them. And yes, I also have videos on phonics. You can see the charts behind me up here. These are basic phonics charts for the pronunciation of the English language. Okay, keep coming back for more. Do turn on your notifications. Give us a like, yes, and please remember to subscribe. See you on the next one, and please do take care. Bye now.